Ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka sarkar jila kala Pynlong ya ka Jingïamareh ka ba 0.1 kilometer ka sngi pale kum Shibynta na kikam ban kentiu ka bayade bat karan Khelo India University Games arjar posau kane ka Jingïamareh kala stang na nehu kompas syamau kenro Sun Care Road bat 15 biang shanehu pada kane ka Jingïamareh layo I ya ka Shibynta da ki babon Ïalehkai bat kiwai ya kane ka Jingïamareh la kawe lama da Colonel Omkar Singh Registrar kanehu ha ka dan lang uba John F. Khashiying Working President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association pat kiwai ki he hain ha ka open category khar kula long job kat ba ka Marquinless Ramsey kala job ha ka open category female ha ka in open category ka ba Sunpost nem sheneng la yo nam job da uba Badon Singh tham bat ka kong iba Mary Shulai na kaliang Colonel Omkar Singh Registrar kanehu ula penslur bat banjur halok jingdon kam ban kentiu ya ki kam Ïalehkai kam tam e hakikerdan jong ki Jingïamareh hakaperthei par ula ong ba ka sarkar jila ka Pynlong ya kum kine ki Ïalehkai ban kentiu ki badan sap shakikerdan ba shalor.
Please, we have Ïalehkai with chest number 311 winning a cash of 5,000, a trophy and a cash of rupees 3,000. Congratulations to all the winners. Winning a cash of 2,000, Sarojini winning a cash of 3,000 in the second place, and the first place Marquinless Ramsey number 110. Please come forward, and the champion, the runners, to our dear runners. Congratulations Ibameri, congratulations Bitarist Marbanyang, congratulations Tarina, and congratulations Kong Chamili Chakrabarti. We have Pratap Das, chest number 350, and the fifth consolation prize goes to Austin Money, chest number 482. May I invite our runners on stage to please collect your prize money of rupees 1,000 each. Congratulations.
University Games 2024. As the government's one of the objectives is to involve more and more participants, contestants, youths to do well in sports and raise the medal tally of the country in various international games. To search for the talent and also to train a more and more number of able students or participants or the players for the selection and other aspects. Various events are being organized. One of those is the University Games. So we have Khelo India under the umbrella of the Khelo India movement. We have University Games which are being organized in the northeastern part of the country, and Shillong, that is the Northeastern Hill University, and the Meghalaya government is organizing one of the event out of those, namely the archery, which will be conducted at this place, and the players will start coming on 18th onwards. 24th of this month will be the concluding ceremony for the Khelo India University Games archery event at Nehu. I also want to convey to all of you, be it any sports, besides playing it at the competitive level, at the higher level, the participation itself is an achievement, be it any game, any run. The fitness of your body gives you a different level of confidence. When you are fit, you are motivated to do any work, whatever you want to do in life. And life it's a long process, though people say the life is short, but I would say the life is still led every day. So every day, if you are going for a morning run or a morning walk, depending on your age and fitness level, you are giving your body the more oxygen to feed you better things, give you better thoughts, and at least for that 1 hour when you are doing your exercise, no negative thoughts come to your mind. That is a big achievement.